it's been good for Spencer, too.
Our search continues for great American meals. In the Midwest, Hillshire Farm Cheddarwurst, bursting with real Wisconsin cheddar. Hungry for more quick meal ideas? HillshireFarm.com. Bring the flavor home.
No matter what anyone tells you, do not chew this new extra polarized gum. It'll change you. See what happens?
New extra polarized will change you.
Mr. Spoon's one way to encourage
The National Weather Service has issued a dust storm warning for Decatur County in northwestern Kansas, Marion County. Northwestern Kansas, Smith County in northern Kansas until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Berlin, 2 around 10 miles south of Hoxie, moving east at 10 mph. This is a dangerous dust storm. Hazard types include wind gusts up to 80 mph and zero visibility. Locations affected by this dust storm include, but are not limited to, Hill City, Oberlin, Hoxie, Selden, Jennings, Dresden, Edmonds, Long Island, Glade, Stockton, Plainville, and Smith Center. This is a dangerous and life-threatening dust storm. Driving is extremely hazardous. Do not travel. Seek shelter and stay sheltered until the dust storm passes. Power outages may occur. Stay tuned to media outlets for further information.
And then there's KFC.
2 ways to treat your skin to a facial. 1,
$65, please.
or 2, Olay Daily Facials. Use it every day for a month, and it's just like your skin had a facial.